In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap on BloFin. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your account, and then of course on your dashboard you want to go to Spot up top, and you want to click on Convert. Now swapping is possible inside their Convert feature or tab over here, which is going to look exactly like this. So converting is pretty much the same as swapping, and you can basically first select which account you want to use. So as you can see, I'm going to use the Spot account where I do have some funds on here, and we're simply going to be swapping some USDT into something else. So you first have to select what you want to swap. So you're swapping from and then to. If it's vice versa, you can simply click on these two arrows or this icon, and it's going to swap top to bottom or vice versa, okay? Now, right now, I'm going to pick over here, and I'm actually going to swap some USDT into some Solana. So I'm going to click on USDT over here, and then here, of course, you can just select to what you are trying to swap. I'm going to pick Solana here, and there we go. Here you can just pick how much you want. So I have available 0.15. I'm going to go 0.1, for example, and there we go. You're going to get a quote on how much you will receive in the swapping crypto you're swapping to. So for me, it's this much. That's fine. I'm going to click on preview, and if it looks good to me, I can simply confirm this, and there we go. That's all you have to do to swap on BloFin. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.